Ever wondered how some of the most iconic sports cars almost never made it to the road? Imagine a world without the roaring engines of AMG or the sleek designs of Lotus. It's a tale of dreams, failures, and miraculous comebacks. Take AMG, for instance. Once just a hobby for two friends, now a powerhouse in the Mercedes lineup. Hans Aufrecht and Erhard Melcher started AMG in 1967, transforming Mercedes cars into racing beasts. Their big break came with the Red So, a monstrous Mercedes 300 SEL. By 1999, Mercedes-Benz saw the potential and brought AMG in-house, ensuring quality and reliability. AMG, the British classic, had its ups and downs but found new life under Chinese giant SAIC. From the MGTF to the modern Cyberster, MG is back with a vengeance. Lotus, the James Bond icon, struggled until Chinese automaker Geely invested heavily. Now, Lotus is leading the charge with electric sports cars like the Avaya. McLaren, born from racing legend Bruce McLaren, created the groundbreaking F1 supercar. With Bahrain's investment, McLaren now rivals Ferrari with models like the 750S. Maserati, the Italian beauty, was saved by an Argentinian industrialist and later Fiat. Today, Maserati thrives under the Stellantis group, blending style with reliability. Lamborghini, the tractor maker turned sports car legend, was saved by Audi. Audi's engineering prowess transformed Lamborghini into a global success. Aston Martin, the Bond car, survived 7 bankruptcies thanks to major manufacturers like Ford and Mercedes. Bentley, once a Rolls-Royce copycat, found its footing under Volkswagen. Now, Bentley is synonymous with luxury and performance. Bugatti, the French prince, was revived by Volkswagen to create the record-breaking Veyron. The Veyron's 8.0-liter W16 engine set new standards in speed and engineering. De Tomaso, a name almost forgotten, gave us the iconic Pantera thanks to Ford's involvement. The Pantera's success was a rare highlight in De Tomaso's history. These stories show that even the greatest ideas need a helping hand. From financial struggles to engineering marvels, the journey is never straightforward. But with the right support, dreams can become reality. These brands are now household names, but their paths were fraught with challenges. It's a testament to resilience, innovation, and the power of collaboration. So next time you see a roaring AMG or a sleek Lotus, remember the story behind it. These cars are more than just machines, they are symbols of perseverance and passion. Keep dreaming, keep driving, and never give up.